Hey everyone, I was noticing a few common mistakes as you guys are working through the worksheet from today for interior angles of a polygon, so I wanted to talk you through solving a couple of the problems. The first one we're going to do here is part A. So I'm going to use the formula for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180. I go around and I count, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So I'm going to take 7 minus 2, which is 5, times 180. So that's a total of 900 degrees. So then I'm going to go through and I'm going to add up all of these other angles and see what I get. So I have 3m plus whatever the other numbers give me. So I'm going to add them quick. And I get 501. So this is going to be my equation that I'm going to solve. And then once I get my equation set up, it's really just an algebra problem that I'm going to solve. So I get 399 equals 3m, which allows me to divide both sides by 3 and get m equals 133 degrees. Okay, then the next one, B went pretty well, but C gave us some problems. So when I look at this, I have a triangle here at the top, and this triangle is isosceles, meaning these two legs are the same. So I know these base angles down here are the same. So I'm going to do 180 minus 64. And then that gives me 116 degrees that need to get split evenly. So that means each of these angles here are 58 degrees. Now, I don't even really care about this angle here because it's not part of my figure here, which has 5 sides and 5 angles. So I don't even care about that 58 degrees, but I did want this one because that'll help me figure out what my angles are. So I'm going to do n minus 2 times 180. There's 5 sides here, so I'm going to do 5 minus 2 times 180. That's going to give me 540 degrees for this shape. Okay, then I'm going to write my equation. That has to equal the sum of all of the interior angles. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to add up 64, 58 plus 90, 96, K, and 88. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 64, 58, 90, 96, and 88. So that is 396 plus that K. So then when I solve, I should get K equals 144 degrees. Okay, and then the last one over here is probably the trickiest one we have. These lines are parallel, which is important. If I count the sides on this figure, there's 5 sides, just like this last one, so I know that it's going to have 540 degrees total. So I'm going to start my equation by saying 540 degrees equals, well, it's going to equal these 3 angles plus angle 1 and angle 2 here. Now, I don't know what angle 1 or angle 2 are, but I don't have to because since these lines that I've highlighted in orange are parallel, angle 1 and angle 2 are same side interior angles. So I know that their sum is 180 together. I don't know what each one is. I don't need to know. I just need to know that together their sum is 180. That plus the other 3 angles has to equal 540. So that gives me an equation that I can solve there. Okay, and I will leave that for you to finish. But I could come up with that again because I had these parallel lines here. If I extend those parallel lines, I have a pair of same side interior angles that together must equal 180 degrees, and that's the other piece that I can use to solve my equation. I hope you found this helpful. If you're still struggling, find a time, reach out, contact me, and I would love to help you with more of these problems. Thanks for watching.